I've got to understand that what is holding so many of us from making movement, from moving forward, is ourselves. Do you know that there are things that you can actually do? You will continue to give excuses. You will continue to procrastinate. Hey, I will do this one tomorrow. I'll do it next tomorrow. I just did this thing for 2 days now, and I'm almost done. Just 2 days. Yeah, for real. Imana, anything where you won't give your time, you will achieve it. You love to procrastinate. You love to say, oh, tomorrow I will do it. Oh, next tomorrow I'm going to do it. Or more, you end up doing nothing. You will end up not achieving anything. Like, it be like say, if person come here, you know, if you do anything again, no matter your certificate, yeah, no matter the profession that you read in school. Hmm. Anyways, it depends on the country that you are, Nana. I think we mothers that are living here, like excuses plenty for our side. This is why they do it. No, besides I get the time, but I just decided to give it time. Yes. Anything where you won't get in life, anything where you won't pursue for this life, just give it time. Are you willing to learn? That is my question. I said it in the other of my post. Are you willing to learn? Learning will take your time. Hmm. Be you're not willing to give it your time, my dear, you're not going to achieve anything. Oh. You will not. Like, did I just do this thing without not ordering it online? I can't believe it. I'm almost done. Let me quickly finish it off. All right? I'll be back.
I will say of the Lord, my refuge strong. In him I trust all day long. He shields me with feathers divine. Under his wings I safely recline. In the shadows of his
What do
mighty
you guys
grace.
think? I think it's better now. It's better. Thank you. Are you by yours? Is it green? No. Are you by yours? Oh my god, oh my god. Let me buy check. What do you think about my hair? Very nice. Look at look at it. You with me very well before saying it's very nice. Emma, if you think I didn't do it well, let me know. If you think I need to correct myself in any way, let me know. Let me know. If my girl will not allow me. Please, I need an honest review. Don't even paint words for me. If you think it's too much or I should reduce it again, let me know. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. But for me, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's okay for me. With my back. Should I stand up? Okay, wait, let me stand up so they can see me very well. But we have stylists down there. Let me know what you think and how much does this cost in your area. Okay, we are done.